Has somebody called somebody? I don't know. It's June 10th, I believe, or 9th, and the wires above our house for some reason have caught fire. I have no idea why. And nobody seems to be, I don't know if anybody's doing anything because I can't speak Thai. This is a wire on the ground right in front of our house. It's on fire. We have not lost electricity yet, but we've unplugged everything. I've never seen anything like this in my life, folks. You might hear it burning.
Hear it burning?
It's about 5:30 in the morning, so it's dark. The melting wire is just dropping onto the floor, onto the ground from these wires up here. Okay, it is just dropping. And you can smell the burning rubber. Extremely dangerous and very frightening. The Wednesday, June 9th electrical fire. The wires above the house caught fire and burned and fell to the ground. I'm following this wire. It's a little hard to see. This is part of the wire that's been burning for about an hour now. This is the insulation that has burned and dropped to the ground, melted and dropped to the ground. Here is more of the burned wire. And they've come by to put out the electrical fire. The wires that are on fire. I don't know what that stuff is. Thanks for watching. Tick that like button and subscribe to my channel. You can find Lucky Dog's life playlist, gardening playlist, and computer tutorial playlists from the links in the description below. See you next time.